Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Performance Unlimited. Man, we got one of our badass engines here. Happens to be our LS7 441 cubic inch. Just got done making about 718 horsepower at 6,200 RPM. Foot-pounds of torque is about 638. One killer motor. This gentleman shows no paint on the engine, so you got a nice clean look throughout with a lot of fancy polished accessories here. Again, if we can assist you in any one of our engine builds, give us a call. Be happy to build something for you. Hey, enjoy the video. Gonna go up a high idle a little bit, and it's gonna smooth its way down.